In today's video, we're going to be talking about the Nasdaq strategy. All right, so the first thing you're going to need is going to be the website. The website is called Nasdaq. All right, it's called Nasdaq. The website. You go into the website, you get to find whatever you need. You got your fundamentals, you got your dictionaries, your whatever you want to know about finances and your capital, residual income, and everything like that. You can find it on Nasdaq. You can find it on Glossary, where it tells you. You will see here. Obviously, you have to sign in and everything, but it basically shows you everything about what's happening in Nasdaq or any companies that are actually in Nasdaq. So basically, what we're going to be looking at here is number one, these 6 major companies. Look mainly on Tesla, Amazon, and Apple. The reason why I'm saying that is because those are the 3 major companies that are currently booming. So in this case, as we move along, we can see here, you see the Nasdaq Composite Index, you got your Nasdaq 100, you got your Dow Industries, your Russells. These are your big 5, you know, like if you're in a different country, I'm sure you guys have the big 5 or something that's like the major thing in your country. In our country, it's the big 5 in terms of animals, like the buffalo, you got the lion, the elephant, and all that stuff. Basically, this is the big 5 companies: the Dow Industries, the SP 500, Russell, the ZP September, as well as the gold December here. So looking at these 5 here, major ones, they will basically determine where about the market is really going, right? They will actually show us. Obviously, you check this before 3:30 if you're in South Africa, and also in your country, you check the time at 30:30 of your current time zone, whereby it is the same as the US Open session, which is usually at 30:30, so 8:30, or 7:30. Sorry, I keep forgetting the US time opening time, but it's okay. Anyways, the idea behind this is that you have this Nasdaq website to show you the direction, the overall direction of where the market is going. However, the idea now, the only thing you need right now is this guy. All right. So Nasdaq, let's just get into it. Like I said earlier, it only needs the phone or a laptop. That's it. Now, obviously, Nasdaq 100 is top 100 companies that are in America that are currently leading. And obviously, one company that falls down, market does also end up dragging the rest of the companies down as well in some weird way. But anyways, the idea in this area is just to, as you see, it's 100. So market moves in hundreds. So that's what he saw, that market moves in hundreds and it turns in hundreds. What do I mean by that? Watch here. Watch what I mean. Look at what happened in, let's give it an example. Let's go here. I'll give it a 1500. All right, 15,000. I'll leave it Nasdaq at 15,000. All right, 15,000. Look what happened. Market played around this area. It became it became resistant, or this became a support level. All right, then became a resistant, short resistant, became a support, broke out, came back, retested the zone, was strong, pushed up, came back. As you can see here, for some reason, market keeps ending at this particular line. Look at where the candles stop. Look at when the candle stopped. You can see that this red candle stopped before the red line. This candle stopped before the red line. This candle stopped to be above the red line, just below the red line, wick on the red line, and then this one obviously still pushing to the upside because it first thought that it was coming down, but it came back up based on what happened in the fundamentals at this particular hour. And now it's moves along. Okay, so basically you just gotta the only thing you have to do on your side is plot every single 100. Okay, there's another 100. There's another 100 here. I'll give you another 100. 95, 7, 900. Okay, let's give it at 1. Let me see if I can try put it at 100. Yeah, 100. And another one, which is sitting at 200. Okay. All right. So as you can see beautifully right here, look at this zone of resistance, look at this area of resistance. As I told you guys earlier, it works with hundreds. So pretty much the idea behind this is obviously look at what the market is going to do, and then the market is going to go in that favorable direction, and then it's going to retest on the hundreds. So it's going to push one, and then it's going to retest, push one, retest, push one, retest. Let me get another, let's put in 800. Okay, let's go 800, and that's fine. All right, let's put another 800 here. Okay, let's just leave it as that. 802, even though it's supposed to be at 100. Sometimes, you know, with the phone, you don't really get the right one. Let's go to 700. I want to show you guys something cool. I'm gonna draw this thing as well, to show you guys an idea behind what I'm talking about. So the main idea is look at the market. First of all, look at what's happening in the market. If it's telling you it's a buy, wait for the buy at the particular time of your area. All right, look at what happened. All right, so I'm gonna draw this thing. Okay, I'm gonna use the drawing. Sorry, let me just quickly zoom out. Let me get that. Let me draw that. Right. So I want to show you something interesting, and this is fun. Eh? This is fun. Okay, look what happened here. Okay, market came up. It retested. It went up, out, came back and retested. Why? Because, okay, let me just remove that. So market came up, came down, it went up again, obviously above the area, and then it came and retested this area it passed. It went up, right, and then it retested. All right, so what it does is that it first retests an area, it jumps to, sometimes it jumps the line, the previous line, right, that it stopped at, and it stopped here, over here, came back, jumped the line, came back, retested the zone, jumped again, but however it still wanted to come and retest this area because it didn't retest it, and moved up again. As you can see, market came back fully down. All right, came back, pushed up, retest, pushed up, retest, pushed up, retest, pushed up, retested again, pushed up one more time, and then came back all the way, retested this area, and then pushed up. So as you can see right here what market did. In other words, it sort of bounces to this a level, and then it comes back and retests the area that it passed, and then it jumps again, it skips. So it bounces, say for an example, it bounces from here, it comes here. However, it wants to retest, and it bounces again and skips that line, and it comes and retest, skips the line and retest, just to check if the thing is valid itself. And then it continues. Sometimes what it does, it even moves. Sometimes it even moves so much based on the fundamentals. Obviously, you know, all the big banks are trying to collect all the money. Bear in mind, guys, this is interesting information that not a lot of traders actually tell you. Also, it's mainly the big traders that are telling you these, but not the small guys. The reason why this market came up here and came to this level again is because it was actually wiping out all of these guys here. All right, just want to let you know in advance, if you wonder why the market went down so bad and started reversing back in the same direction. What they do, the institutional guys, what they mainly do is that they get to first let the direction, or the guys who are currently in the current direction, add orders, as many orders as they can, right? Then what they do is that even if it's 1, 2, or 3 candles, they can get to wipe out the whole. Let me give you you see here, orders here. The idea is to wipe out this whole family here of traders and then start moving again back in the direction that it was supposed to move. Always look at these. Always be vigilant at these types of moves, guys. That's why Nasdaq kept on moving down here, even because of the fact that they were trying to collect something here and then move up again, basically. So that's basically it, guys. The idea again, remember, market moves up, retest, moves up, it retests, it moves up and retests again. All right, so even if you see it here in bigger picture, we move up one line, we come and retest that line we moved up. We move up again, big line, we retest, we move up again, sometimes we retest and move up, retest, move up, retest. All right, so basically that's how it works with Nasdaq. Also applies when it's on a downtrend as well. But obviously in this case we're mainly looking at uptrend. As you can see that market is going on an overall uptrend. It's been on an uptrend. So if you're one of the guys that entered here as well, you are in luck, because I'm sure right now people are profiting right here in huge capitals. If you entered at this particular area, that basically means that you guys are in capital right now. So pretty much, guys, this is it. And I just want to let you guys know that there's a link, there's a phone number in the description. All right, I'm actually supporting guys who are mainly interested in mobile strategies. So I'm gonna be giving you guys, I have a strategy that I've summed up that I'm selling right now, and this is a sniper entry system for mobile strategies. It works on Nasdaq, it works on all currency pairs. All right, it works on sniper entries. Okay, so if you're interested, hit me up on WhatsApp. I'm more than willing to provide you some good information about it. Yeah, but I just hope that you guys enjoy this video. Just wanted to make it as simple as it can be. So again, remember, retest it first, impulsing, meaning that market is moving up, it retests, moves up, retest, moves up. That's how Nasdaq works. It always works like that, but you gotta make sure that this guy in particular is your friend. See this guy right here must be your friend. It doesn't matter where you are, which country you're at what time it is in that zone. Look out for these guys. Look out for these guys in particular. All right, as well as these guys here, these big boys here, these big major guys here. Look for them. They will show you as well which direction market is going. But the main ones, again, Amazon, Apple, and Tesla. Focus on those three. Once you focus on those three, you know what it is. So thank you for watching this video. Again, if you guys are interested in wanting to get sniper entry strategy for yourself, all right, just to make sure that you guys are in the blue all the time, I do have a strategy for you guys here on my side. So I hope you guys hit me up, all right, and then we'll discuss on WhatsApp. I don't mind sharing. So hit me up, and thank you again for watching this video, and I hope to see you in another one. Take care, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell. Appreciate it. Just